The S26 Ultra is definitely getting upgrades, but the strange part is that some things still seem unchanged, and that's confusing. Meanwhile, the S25 Ultra is on a massive deal from Samsung, which you can grab using the link mentioned earlier in this video. But make no mistake, the S26 Ultra is bringing several big changes. No doubt about that. Still, there are some serious questions we need to sort out. And now, a new source is hinting at something major. And honestly, it's not good for the S26 Ultra or for anyone planning to buy it. Ice Universe recently said he doesn't understand why the leaks about the S26 Ultra are so inconsistent this year. According to him, he has always stood by three main specs: a 5,000 mAh battery, 60W fast charging, and a 3x10MP 1/3.94-inch sensor. And he insists those are absolutely correct. So here's what's happening. Some earlier sources claimed a 5,200 mAh battery for the S26 Ultra, but for months now we've known there's no battery size increase next year. The 60W fast charging was confirmed, but ICE didn't mention anything about wireless charging, and that's important because we are expecting an upgrade from 15W to 25W wireless charging, which is a massive jump. Now let's talk about that 3x10MP sensor rumor. Honestly, it sounds unbelievable. It's clearly a downgrade, and I really don't think Samsung would go that route. ICE feels confident in his source, but another leaker gave a completely different explanation about the camera changes on the S26 Ultra. Either way, the S26 Ultra is getting a new sensor. Whether that ends up being a good or bad thing, the change itself is real. The S Pen situation is also still a mystery. Many people want Bluetooth support, but not a single source has confirmed it. Even my own source says there is no Bluetooth feature for the S Pen on the S26 Ultra, which means no Bluetooth S Pen at all. Now, let's talk about the source who claims things are actually improving on the S26 Ultra cameras. There's been a lot of back and forth. Some leaks say the camera setup is getting worse, others say it's getting better. But the one thing that worried people most was the rumored downgrade of the 3x telephoto sensor. Even ICE mentioned it. But now we have a source who did a deep analysis. According to him, here's the breakdown of the L versus K mystery. The S25 base and S25 Plus use the 3x S5K 3K1 sensor, which is a 1/3.94-inch 10MP sensor. The S25 Ultra uses the 3x Sony IMX754 sensor, a 1/3.52-inch 10MP sensor. Now the rumor says the S26 Ultra is getting a new S5K 3LD sensor. According to this source, K stands for compact low-cost telephoto/ultrawide sensors, while L stands for large, high-quality sensors. And no L-series sensor has ever been as small as 1/3.94-inch. The S5K 2LD is a 12MP sensor with a 1/1.76-inch size and dual-pixel tech, but the only evidence we have for the S26 Ultra is just a text string, S5K 3LD, found in early test firmware. That's it. No confirmed size, no confirmed specs. A 1/3.2 or 1/3.5-inch sensor would fit perfectly into Samsung's usual camera space, keeping the design slim while improving quality, resolution, and maybe even using 12MP with binning like other flagship sensors, not something cheap. So it's possible we're actually getting an upgrade, not a downgrade, for the S26 Ultra 3x telephoto camera. Samsung also changed their lineup after seeing the sales performance of the Galaxy S25 Edge. They added the Plus model and removed the Edge, but then rumors popped up about a possible delay. My internal source told a different story. And now, a newly confirmed leak supports that not only is there no delay, but Samsung is actually launching earlier. Here's the exclusive info from my source. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is launching on January 21st, 2026. He even gave the exact date, meaning it's one day earlier than the S25 Ultra. Other sources also report something similar. According to Chosen Biz on the 10th, Samsung plans to hold the Galaxy S26 Unpacked event in late January, with the launch expected in February. This matches the S24 and S25 timelines. Great news, especially because earlier rumors suggested a 2-month delay, which would have been huge. Last week, one random leak claimed February 25th as the launch date, about a month late, but that's completely wrong. If you're still watching, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.